Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book a campground on the Dyrt application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then click on either the home button or the search button down below in order to select a campground. So select a campground that you would like to book or reserve, click on it, and then you should wait a few seconds till it loads. But after that you will be able to click on the instant book button down below. Here you can see the price next to it. Then you should select the check-in and check-out date on the map, on the calendar, and click on the next button down below. Now you should select the date and site, click on the relevant circle and click on the button next. Here you can set the number of guests, vehicles, pets. Then you should fill out this form including your name, email address, and your phone number. Click on the next button, and after that you will be able to proceed. So here you should purchase premium or click on the no thanks button, and then you should add payment information to finalize the process of booking. So that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.